All right, guys, you can pause the video and give this one a try, and then you can resume for the solution. The question says the product of three consecutive positive integers is 15,600. Then the sum of the squares of these integers is. So we just factorize 15600, 156 and 100. 156 is 12 and 13. And into 100 is basically 4 into 25. Well, that gives me a hint. 12 into 2 would be 24, 35, and 13 into the remaining 2 would be 26. So these are the three consecutive positive integers, right? And now, and I now want the sum of the squares of these integers. So I want 24 square plus 25 square plus 26 square. 24 square is 576. 25 square is 625. 26 square is 676. So 6 to 12 plus 5, 17, 18, 19, 20, 27, 5 plus 1, 6, and 6 threes are 18. So the final answer would be 1877, and that clearly matches with the D option. Pretty simple question. That's how we do it.